Hello guys, thank you for watching Flourish by Flora, and if you're new here, please to subscribe and please click that like and notification bell as well so you'll be updated for all new videos. Thank you. Okay guys, so in today's video I'm going to do unboxing. So the unboxing today is this. You can see it's huge and it says very fragile. Let's see if it's really fragile. So let's open.
Open sesame.
Open sesame. See. Alright. Okay. There is a...
You got yourself? Oh.
I'm about to close and my finger is in the middle.
Oh.
It's good I took my finger off before it cut.
Are you sure? Second.
Yeah. Look. See? It doesn't cut because there is a flop underneath. So what is this, darling? Let me see. Okay, let me open
Something
it.
you will need.
Oh, it's a nice color. It looks like ice cream. This looks like avocado ice cream.
Keep the box.
So it's a fleece. Okay, 1 second guys, I'll do this. Okay, I'm back. Oh my lord, this is Cozy Night Sherpa Fleece Heated Throw. Oh, so this is electric.
Yeah.
Electric fleece.
Yeah. So when you are sitting in the cold,
Yeah.
you just put that on top of you.
So I won't be cold.
Yes. And plug it in and switch it on.
So that is the thing. It says important. So it's this product is hygiene security sealed. Before you remove the security seal, please read. Have you ordered the correct size?
There's only the one size.
Have you ordered the correct product? Have you ordered the correct color?
Yeah.
See,
There
it's
wasn't
like
that many
that.
colors. I think there was only two.
2 colors.
This and the other one was grey, which I don't like.
Oh, so it's only 2 colors.
Yeah.
Oh, so this is nicer because it's nice.
If they had red or pink, I would have got one of those, but there wasn't. Not on this brand.
It's nice and soft.
One of the reviewers actually complained it wasn't
Why?
soft. That it was too hard, or it becomes hard after a while.
Really? After it wash maybe? But
You don't need to wash.
it's soft. Oh, you cannot wash because it's electric. So how will we clean it if it's dirty?
Maybe you
Spot
can
clean.
wash, but you shouldn't have to.
So it's nice and soft.
Try not to bend it too much.
Yeah, so it can be washed, hand wash.
You don't need to wash.
That-
You're
that-
wearing clean clothes, so
Yeah, anyway, I don't worry about that. Because I only use this in winter when the temperature is cooler. So there is a, what's they call this? Remote. Is it a remote?
sort of.
Yeah. So
Not
this
that
is
remote, it's attached to the thing, so it's just
Yeah.
the control thing.
yeah, this is the control. So this is a temperature, this one, and that is time. So you can put it on and off button. And then
Should
maybe,
be a temperature setting as well, maybe.
yeah, maybe when it's plugged in and
Low,
then the
medium, high, whatever.
if press this, then the temperature will appear in here. So it's digital.
Maybe.
Yeah, and then you can select the time. So how many hours? So should I plug it in and
If
let's
there's a
see.
spare plug near you.
I have one in here. Okay, done it. Scramble.
Yeah, is the control unit.
Where is the control? Oh, it's here.
There.
Okay, so let me put it on me. It's nice. And it's wide. So it's... Can you sit on bed as well? I thought it's only...
It's best not to sit on it.
Not to sit
Like,
on it.
yeah, it's nothing more like an over. Like it's a throw, so
Oh, so it's a throw, so it's just over
it's
you.
better, yeah,
So
to
it's
have
not
it
for
on you rather
sleeping.
than underneath you.
Oh, right. Okay. So,
Have to read the
yeah,
instructions.
this is connected in here. So, there are some wires inside here.
Yeah, all over.
So, in all the lines, there are tiny wires.
Have you turned it on yet?
1 second. Okay, so that is the thing there. And let's turn it on. Oh, so it says 1.
So,
So maybe just leave it for 1. Oh, 11.
what did you press?
The temperature. When the temperature is 11 degrees, maybe.
Maybe just put it on highest to see.
So it goes up to 91. Oh, so this is the one that's going higher. This number. This right number. See? If every time I press, it changes. So maybe let's just put it... Okay, leave it like that. And let's press the time.
Maybe put it to 9. You
This
don't need
one.
to put anything on the timer. You don't really need the timer.
Yeah. So the
Just
timer,
switch it on,
goes numbers as
sit
well.
down, switch it off when you not want it.
Yeah, yeah. So, and then it go back to 1.
How about the heat? What's the highest number it will go to? Maybe 9?
Yeah, it's 9.
Yeah, so just leave it on them.
Leave it to
And can you feel it getting warmer?
9.
Probably takes a few seconds, a few minutes.
Yes. It's a tiny. It's getting warmer.
Yeah.
Wow, it's nice. It's like body temperature, like getting warmer.
It's 100 watts, I think, this one. That's what it said on Amazon, if it's
Oh.
correct.
So, it's so nice.
You can use it in your study.
It's getting cozy now.
Best thing to do is put the heater on for at least half an hour just to take the chill off.
Yeah.
And then turn the heater off and then put this on.
Yeah.
Because the heater one bar uses 400 watts, this one uses 100 watts.
So which one is cheaper to use?
This.
This.
Yeah.
And it's bigger, so it's
Yeah, it
good.
covers your whole body.
Yeah, it covers my
Only
whole
thing is
body.
your hands will be, arms will be cold.
Yeah.
Because you need them to operate your computer.
Yeah, it's okay because I can use it like this. Wrap it around me like that. Or I can put it over me from there to like that.
Yeah, but your arms need to be out too.
No, I
Use your
mean,
keyboard.
yeah, and then I open my thing. So this one is like this on me, and then my arm is...
They also sold things that you can wear.
Yeah, I know
with
that
hoodie,
one.
but I didn't.
Yeah. There's something in there. Some extra fabric. It's nice.
Good.
Oh, I like it, darling. Thank you so much for
You're
buying
welcome, Megan.
this.
Something useful for winter. The winter
Yeah.
is already here.
Because
Even though it's autumn, it feels like winter already.
yeah, it's because the weather is because the weather is cloudy. That's why it's like cooler.
Yeah.
And then during the day, the sun is out and it's a bit warmer, but it's still a bit cooler than normal, is it?
Yeah.
Yeah. And so it's good because this one, it doesn't get hot.
Yeah.
It's so nice. I like it.
How
Thank you
about
so
that bit?
much.
Does that get hot?
Yeah, it's warm.
The thing?
And this.
Yeah.
This is, no, it's cold.
Good.
And in here, where in the fold, it's warmer. In the open, is a bit cooler, but in the fold is warmer. Yeah, it's warmer here. Nice.
Nice ice baby.
Yeah, we can sit here, darling, together, and then we can. It fits on us because my body is tiny.
Petite.
So petite.
Yes.
Okay, guys. So this is the unboxing for today. This, what is it?
Electric heated throw.
Electric heated throw.
Like a small blanket.
So it's so nice. I like it.
How about that sheet that came with it? Does it say any name on it or anything?
It's just like the,
Cozy Night.
yeah,
So that must be the brand name.
cozy night. And that is the introduction, instruction, what to do, what not to do. So, yeah, never leave unattended.
I got it
course.
from Amazon and it was just under £33,
Oh.
which is not bad.
Oh, so it can be washed, but I will not wash.
No.
It says never
It's
dry
not,
clean.
Yeah, you're always wearing clean clothes, so
Yeah.
you don't need to wash that.
I always make it clean. There. So. Okay, guys. So thank you for watching this unboxing of Cozy Night Sherpa Fleece Heated Throw. It's so nice. Oh, wow. This is very cozy. I like it. Love, love, love. Nice, nice, nice. I'm warm.
Yes.
Okay, guys. Thank you for watching. And see you in my next video. Thank you. Tara. Love, love, love.